Growing roses is a rewarding experience, and it starts with the right care. Watering is crucial. Aim for 2 to 5 gallons per week. If you're in a dry area, drip irrigation is your best friend. Next, focus on the soil. It should be loamy and well-drained, enriched with organic compost. The ideal pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Roses thrive in temperate climates, ideally between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius, with just the right amount of humidity. Too much rain can lead to pesky fungal issues. In Pakistan, the prime time for rose farming is from March to June, when they bloom beautifully. You don't need a massive space to start. Just 1,500 square feet can yield a stunning array of rose bushes for a micro setup. With the right conditions, you'll be on your way to cultivating a gorgeous garden of roses. Rose water production is not just a business. It's a journey into a world of fragrance and tradition. Imagine the lush fields of roses, where each petal holds the essence of beauty and wellness. In Pakistan, particularly in regions like Kasur, the art of extracting rose water has been perfected over generations. This isn't just about creating a product, it's about tapping into a market that spans continents, from the heart of Faisalabad to the boutiques of Paris. The process begins with selecting the right rose varieties, like the exquisite damask rose, known for its rich aroma. Once harvested, the petals are distilled, releasing their fragrant oils and creating a product that's cherished in cosmetics, culinary delights, and holistic remedies. With the right knowledge and passion, you can transform this age-old craft into a thriving business, catering to a global audience eager for authentic, high-quality rose water. The damask rose, or Rosa ex Damascena, is truly the queen of flowers. Cultivated for centuries in regions like Persia and South Asia, it thrives in places like Patoki and Bahawalpur in Pakistan. What makes it special? Its high oil content and intoxicating fragrance, perfect for crafting authentic rose water. A mature damask rose plant can yield 3 to 5 kilograms of petals each season. Remarkably, it takes about 4 to 5 kilograms of these delicate petals to produce just 1 liter of rose water. This exquisite process highlights the beauty and richness of the damask rose, making it an essential ingredient in skincare and culinary delights. Harvesting roses is a delicate art, best done in the early morning, between 4 and 8 a.m., when the petals are bursting with oil. The magic happens through steam distillation. First, we place fresh petals in a still with water and gently heat the mixture. As the steam rises, it carries the precious rose essence with it. This steam then travels through a condenser, where it cools down, and voila! We collect the final liquid, pure rose water. To make this happen, you need a few key pieces of equipment: a boiler, a petal chamber, a condenser coil, and a separator vessel. The entire process takes about 3 to 4 hours, yielding not just fragrant rose water, but also traces of rose essential oil as a delightful byproduct. It's a beautiful blend of nature and science, capturing the essence of roses in every drop. After distillation, the next crucial step is filtration. I carefully filter the rose water using muslin or a fine mesh to ensure it's crystal clear and free from any impurities. Once filtered, I store it in glass bottles or UV-protected containers to preserve its delicate properties. For optimal shelf life, I keep it refrigerated, which can extend freshness for about 6 to 12 months. I always choose eco-friendly, well-labeled bottles, proudly stating 100% steam distilled, alcohol-free, and made from damask roses. This not only reflects quality but also builds trust with health-conscious consumers who appreciate transparency in their products. Every detail matters in creating a pure and luxurious experience. Real rose water is a treasure trove of benefits, packed with a unique chemical composition. It contains phenylethyl alcohol, which gives it that enchanting rose scent we all adore. Then there are citronellol, linalool, and geraniol. These compounds not only smell divine, but also boast antibacterial and calming properties. Icosane and nonadecane help the fragrance linger, making every drop a lasting experience. When it comes to benefits, rose water is a skincare hero. It hydrates the skin, balances pH levels, and can even reduce acne and redness. In the realm of medicine, it shines in Unani and Ayurvedic practices, offering relief for burns, soothing the eyes, and alleviating stress. And let's not forget its culinary charm. It adds a delightful aroma to sweets like gulab jamun, Turkish delight, faluda, and baklava, elevating every bite to a new level of indulgence. Rose water truly is a versatile gem.
Pakistan offers exciting opportunities for business setup, especially in regions like Punjab, Sindh, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In Punjab, consider Kaisar, Patoki, and Faisalabad for their vibrant markets. Over in Sindh, the outskirts of Hyderabad are emerging as a great spot. If you're looking for cooler climates, Swat and Abbottabad in KP are ideal. Starting costs are quite manageable. You can lease land for just PKR 15,000 to 25,000 a month. Each plant will set you back around PKR 20 to 50, while a local distillation unit costs between PKR 400,000 and 700,000. Packaging will run you about PKR 20 to 70 per bottle, and labor costs are around PKR 18,000 to 25,000 monthly. With an investment of PKR 800,000 to 1.2 million, you can launch your business and potentially recover your investment within a year. Plus, there's support available through SMETA, TEPTA training for herbal products, and the PM Youth Loan Program to help you get started. The potential is there. Let's seize it.
Imagine a world where the essence of roses transforms your daily routine. Our journey doesn't stop at rose water. It blossoms into a vibrant product line. Picture refreshing rose face mists and toners that hydrate your skin, or luxurious rose saffron serums that elevate your glow. Indulge in Gulkand, a delightful rose jam that sweetens your day, and herbal soaps that cleanse with nature's touch. Let the soothing aroma of rose-scented candles fill your space, while our natural deodorants keep you fresh, all crafted with care. We prioritize purity, using natural preservatives like vitamin E and potassium sorbate. Our commitment to organic, halal, and ethical practices ensures every product is handmade with love. Join us in our Farm to Face story, where real roses meet real people, delivering real purity to your life. Embrace the beauty of nature in every drop. Every business faces risks, but the key is to tackle them head-on. Overproduction can be a nightmare, so starting small is a smart move. When it comes to fungal diseases, neem oil is your best friend, and rotating crops keeps those pesky pathogens at bay. Then there's the issue of fake competition. The solution? Transparency and natural certifications. They build trust and set you apart. Protecting your brand is crucial. Trademark registration secures your identity, while halal and organic labels enhance your credibility. And don't underestimate the power of video marketing. Educating your customers not only informs them, but also creates a loyal community around your brand. Embrace these strategies and turn risks into opportunities.
Let's dive into the global market for cosmetics. If you're looking to export halal cosmetics, the UAE and Saudi Arabia are your top destinations. For natural wellness products, the USA and Canada are thriving markets. Meanwhile, the UK and Germany are leading the way for organic skincare, while Malaysia and Indonesia are perfect for Islamic beauty brands. To get started, secure your halal certification from the Halal Council, register with the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, and ensure compliance with PSQCA standards. Don't forget to use HS code 3307.20.00 for your products. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, Noon.com, and Dares Global are fantastic for launching your international sales. Remember, buyers are looking for stories that emphasize purity, tradition, and natural ingredients. Craft your narrative around these values and watch your brand resonate on a global scale.
Rose water is truly a treasure, woven into the fabric of our culture and cherished for its purity. It's not just a fragrant liquid. It's a symbol of tradition and wellness, gaining popularity not just in Pakistan, but across the globe. Imagine starting a low-cost venture that taps into this rich heritage. With the right approach, you can create an eco-friendly brand that resonates with consumers seeking natural products. The market for rose water is blooming, offering endless possibilities for those ready to dive in. So, why not embark on this fragrant journey? With passion and dedication, your rosewater business could flourish beautifully.